Please subscribe our channel and press bell notification icon for more videos.
I'm here today with the UWANT dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit. This comes with everything you are going to want to take care of your dog's coat or your cat's coat. I have a poodle and he right now needs to go to the groomer every 8 weeks. I'm hoping to extend that a little bit by doing some of my own grooming on him. So let's open this up and see what it has in it. I can already tell that this is a great setup. Now my dustbin here is nice and large, and one click it will pop open. I also have a nifty handle so I can lift this and carry it on the go. I have multiple different blades for clipping, and then I have not only your typical clippers, but I also have pad ear and small space clippers and a nail grinder. And then I have a brush and more of a massaging brush. I think I might use this one on my dogs because they will love this massage. A quick sweep up vacuum to catch everything that might have come loose and did not get sucked up. And then the hose right here. So let's set up and get my dog over here and see how he likes it. Alright, I got my poodle over here now, and he's a little raggedy, but perfect time to start out. So I'm going to start just with the massage brush so that he can get used to the noises and the feel of it. Now the really nice thing about the UWANT grooming kit is that it has a level here. So I have just started it and you can barely hear it, and then I can work it up as he gets more comfortable to it. We're going to keep it low to start with just because he's never experienced this here at home, and I want to make sure that he's comfortable. But you can see he really doesn't care. Now we'll leave it at this section, but we will switch out to our brush attachment. Oh, okay. Alright, so we have our clippers attached. I'm not going to do too much to him because I don't want to ruin his coat too much. But sure enough, as I'm clipping, the hair is going straight into the vacuum and is now right down here. And finally, we have our nail grinder. He's not going to let me nail grind because that's him, but again, all of this is fairly quiet. I have the vacuum set at about medium suction power, and so it still is on the quiet side. This is it all the way up on highest suction power. Now we'll just turn it off. The UWANT dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit allows you to professionally pet groom at home. It has efficient hair removal with vacuum suction, has a quiet operation with adjustable suction, with a noise decimal point at 50. It has an expanded 84-ounce dust cup and enhanced grooming stainless steel blades. I have put the massage tool back on the groomer, let's give my German Shepherd a massage here. I'm going to turn the vacuum on low. She is a very typical German Shepherd. She will tell you a story. We had a tough time trying to find groomers for her because of that German Shepherdness. And so this tool will really help. I actually think she likes this. She's really calmed down. As you can imagine, she has a lot of hair. And this is working out very nicely, and all of the hair is being trapped in the canister down here. So that is really nice. Let's switch out to a brush. And all of that hair is gone. This has a lot of great suction in here. So let's see. She's being such a good girl for me. My Shepherd has sensitive paws. She doesn't like her paws to be touched that much. And like I said, we have a tough time trying to find groomers for her because they're scared of Shepherd. But let's see what she thinks. Oh, just a little trim up here. Oh, your paw looks adorable. All the hair I just pulled off my dogs is right here. Majority of it is my Shepherd's hair. And now I can go hold this over the trash can, press the button, and let it all into the trash can, and I never have to touch it again. This is going to help keep your house cleaner and your dogs looking more stylish, more keeping them cool, and this is also going to save you money because you're not going to be spending so much on their grooming bills. Now, if you want all of that, if you want to make your life easier, then you need to check out the UWANT dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit, because that is what you're going to get here. You are going to get that simplicity of grooming your dog. You're going to get that cleaner house because all this hair is not going to be in your house anymore, and you're going to save money on grooming bills with the UWANT dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit.
Please subscribe our channel and press bell notification icon for more videos.